How to partition a hard disk in Windows 10. Hello Windows users. Need to create separate sections on your hard disk to organize your data more efficiently? You're in luck. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to partition a hard disk in Windows 10. Let's dive in. Right-click on the Start button and select Disk Management from the context menu. This will open the Disk Management utility. In the Disk Management window, locate the disk you want to partition. Right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space you want to shrink from the existing partition. This will create unallocated space for the new partition. Click Shrink to proceed. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard to specify the size, assign a drive letter, and format the partition with a file system. Once you've configured the new partition settings, click Next to proceed. Review the summary and click Finish to create that partition. After completing the wizard, you'll see the new partition listed in Disk Management. You can now use it to store data. Thanks for watching everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks for Windows. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.